Hello, my name is Buki and I'm a product specialist for Insights. And today I'm going to take you through the Regional Manager's dashboard. So upon logging in, you're faced with the region dashboard, which displays all the information related to the region. So firstly, we see the bestsellers there. So the bestsellers according to Avon. If we click on the button, notice that it actually takes you onto this dashboard. So this permission, which is the performance overview, which we're going to have a more in-depth look at later on. So right now it displays all the bestsellers. Manager can also drill down and see which fonts perform the best according to the town. So in this case, we have Bristol with the Samsung and Apple, and Bath unfortunately hasn't got any handsets at this moment of time. So going back to our bio, next would be the conversion rate. So here we have the Avon conversion rate, which displays the amount of journeys that have been started and completed, which we can have a more in-depth look at. So here it details how long each journey took and the amount of journeys that have been started from the month and the date. Again, we can drill it down in more detail, which takes you to this page. So here it gives you a day-by-day look on the journeys and also the hourly journey conversion. So going back, this is the journey analytics. So let's return back to the bio. Here we have the performance vitals. So here we have the missions which are assigned to the city, which is also shown in this area but in more depth and detail. However, right now we don't have any missions assigned. In our later tutorials, we'll go into more details on how missions are created and assigned. So going onto our dashboard, we've had a close look at our region and a brief look at our performance. So we've had a look at the daily conversion. Here we can see the dropouts, which again can be drilled down in more depth. So according to the colleague, for example, this person, and also which journey they decided to take. So here we can see how the performance is against the actual region. We can see it in a weekly view and also monthly view. Here we have a more in-depth look at the vitals, which is a statistical analytics on the journeys. Again, we can drill it down to the actual store and the colleague as well. And as I've shown earlier on, these are all the best sellers across the Avon region. And here again, we can see which stores sell which specific handsets. And here we have the badges. So we've got a list of store badges and personal badges, which means as a regional manager, I can actually assign a badge to a specific store and write a message. So it's been awarded. Likewise with personal badges, can award it to a specific colleague. Add multiple ones. Now you should understand the ops area and bio, which includes the region missions and conversion analytics. Also the performance overview, which has the daily conversion, journey dropouts, vitals, and batches.